Recovery after liposuction. Liposuction remains one of the most popular procedures in my practice. Today, I am going to discuss about how does the recovery after liposuction looks like and what precautions you should take so that you get the better results and faster recovery. Hi, I am Dr. Anmol Chugh. I am a cosmetic and plastic surgeon based in Delhi and Gurgaon and an expert in body contouring and high definition liposuction. So coming straight to the point, on day 1, that is immediately after the surgery, you will feel that swelling and bruising is there. You can immediately appreciate the results. Swelling and bruising is less when it is done through latest technology like power assisted liposuction or laser technology, and results are also better in these technologies. Pain is minimal, most commonly described by my patients as discomfort, which can be easily relieved by painkillers. It is important that you wear a compression garment immediately after the surgery, and it has to be worn depending on your area and also depending on the extent of fat that has been removed. The number of days are determined by your plastic surgeon. It can range from 4 to 6 weeks or maybe longer in some cases. On the next day, it might increase further along with some bruising. Along with that, there can be some dripping of the drainage fluid. This is the blood soaked fluid, which is the infiltration fluid that we use during liposuction, and nothing is to be worried about. You can easily change the dressing gauze piece under your compression garment. On day 3, situation improves as you are taking antibiotics, other oral medications. Along with that, follow a good diet regime, not too heavy, not too light, just the adequate amount. Now you can resume your desk job, but heavy exercises or any kind of active exercises are not to be done. You can move around the house. Driving, I would not advise to hold on till at least for 1 week. Not smoke or take any alcohol even before the surgery, at least 2 to 3 weeks before the surgery, and also after liposuction at least for 6 weeks, so that you have faster and smoother recovery. You maintain the hydration level so that you take good amount of water. You can take lemon water or lemonade, or along with that take a good high protein diet. Slowly and steadily increase your diet. Take short meals so that there is no belching or vomiting. Usually there are 2 or 3 puncture holes which liposuction is done. On these sites, do apply ointment as advised by your doctor, and now you can also take a bath. There's no risk of any kind of infection even if some amount of water comes up on it. In the second week, the swelling and bruising must have subsided substantially. Also, in this week, we start something known as lymphatic massages that helps us drain the lymphatic fluid, and therefore it reduces the swelling. Also, along with that, it helps in faster recovery. Compression garment has to be worn 24/7. If at any point of time that you feel that your compression garment is adequate pressure, it is important to ask your vendor or make it adequate to your body. The medications that are given usually in the first week are the 5-day course of antibiotics. Usually you don't need to take the painkillers. Make sure in the second or third week also you do not do any kind of heavy exercise or return back to gym. I would highly advise to wait for gymming to start at least after 4 weeks or maybe later, depending on the amount of liposuction has been done and the areas that have been liposuctioned. You can very well resume your normal work activities generally after 1 week, and on the second or third week the swelling has resolved substantially, and also you're doing lymphatic massage that helps. By the end of 1 month, you will see that there is considerable change in the swelling, and also you'll start appreciating the results. Although I would advise that wait for at least 3 to 6 months for the results to show. Wearing compression garment for 24/7 for 4 weeks, depending on your plastic surgeon advice, you can reduce your timing to 18 hours to 15 hours and subsequently take it down to 12 hours, and then after maybe 6 or 8 weeks, stop the usage. If you have any doubts about liposuction, you can WhatsApp me on this number +91 95 88 75 4188, or write to us at contact@dranmolchugh.com. I'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you so much for watching.